Friends, welcome to Sky Crypto channel. This video I will share you less important updates about Dogecoin Mars coin, its price prediction this year mega bullion because friends right now entire crypto market is pumping and Dogecoin is also moving upward here. You can see last 14 days 21% pump, last 7 days 11% pump, but friends it's still Dogecoin coin is you can see 94% down than its all-time high that was 3 years ago. So is it possible that we can see Dogecoin coin new all-time high soon? Because right now entire crypto market is going upwards here. BTC, Ethereum, mostly meme coins. You can see friends. Okay, right now, okay, pumping here. You can see Bonkinu is pumping, Trump is pumping, Wordcoin, mostly meme coins are pumping here. So is it possible that we can see Dogecoin coin new all-time high in next month of May? And is Binance listing is possible or not? So videos be very special, very important. You have to just for the complete video here. Loan current price 0.6 times $0.14 pump by 4% last 24 hours. And friends, you see all-time high chart. Okay, coin was started here and make a massive pump. After that, another dump and make a new all-time high. That was 3 years ago. After that, friends, continuously dump here. And this meme coin right now is 94% down in its all-time high, but current market cap is still $78 million. So this is already amazing of $78 million market caps. This is huge, friends. And $4 million trading volume in last 24 hours. Trading volume is bit low because already listed on I think Kraken, Crypto.com, many base central exchanges. Ethereum ecosystem meme coin after that launched on many other chains just like Polygon, Kronos, Fuse, Solana, and BNB. We are 94% down. Then it's all time high and 700% up. Then it's all time low also. So performance is somehow good. Get.io MEX has already listed this coin. La token, Bitget has listed, BitTime, Gemini. Okay, friends, like see Crypto.com and Gemini exchanges also list this coin. So this is major listing for this coin. And maybe I will show you on other central exchanges. You can see, friends. Okay, VVX Finance. These are some Kronos dexes. So not on Kraken yet, but Gemini has listed this coin. So this is massive listing for this coin. And if you not have Get.io and MEX exchange account yet, I provide you both central exchanges, links in description. You can join both central exchanges where you can buy all newly launched base meme coins before listing on major central exchanges. Website is also looking awesome, friends. Okay, so updated right now. I am Doge Lawn Mars, Miss Doge going to moon. Join us to mission to Mars. Okay, so join the mission Mars. You can also join this mission to Mars. If you wanna go to Mars, you can see, friends, join the mission and reach for the stars. And website is looking good. Okay, because the meme coin. Okay, website is looking very good. Sign is awesome. Current price, current market ranking 401, and its volume is almost $5 million. And it's all further details here on their website. So no doubt, friends, website is looking good. Friends, now my price prediction about Doge loan is that as its current market $78 million, coin has currently 6 zeros in its price. But friends, definitely this meme coin has potential to be the next $1 billion market cap coin. Maybe we can see its market from just 78 million to maybe up to $10 billion in this year's super cycle mega bullion, because already we are 94% down than its all-time high. And 4 years old meme coins just like Shiba Inu, Baby Dogecoin, and Flokino. And time to time, Binance Exchange wallets are also buying Dogecoin coins. So it means that maybe in future there are some chances that we can see it listing on Binance too. And if it's possible that Dogecoin will list on Binance, then definitely this dog theme meme coin can make a massive hype in crypto market. And we can see its market in this year's super cycle meme coins mega bullion up to $10 billion here. It's my price prediction that can be true or not. What do you think? What's your price prediction about this meme coin? You can must comment down below.